Everyone. This is CJ Gibson with Manifested Investments, and this is going to be another short video on our updated outlook on gold. I was going to do a much deeper dive into this, but then I realized that my charts are going into predictions and forecasts for even up to next year. So I'm gonna and to be honest with you, even my 4 hour charts is showing too much information. But I'm probably gonna stop doing these videos just because this gives me enough to where you've seen my profits, you've seen that, hey, even though my first forecast, my outlook changed. I even called the correction I was looking for that forecast that would cause me to change my forecast. And you saw that week I turned a $200 account from that forecast, which was slightly off but still accurate. I turned a $180 account to 2,000 in about 2.5 hours. So I'm trying to give good content but not give too much because I'm doing this to gain investors. I'm doing this to gain students, or I have my signals group. Not students, actually. I'm sorry. I don't teach, but I'm doing this to gain definitely account management, or I'll help people pass their funded challenge and myriad of other things. But for now, let's just keep this simple. I would like to go into higher time frames and even display why my forecasts are where they are. But again, I can't give too much for free. This is just going to be a short analysis so that we can see what to look for the coming week. And even what I have on the screen now is for the coming few months. So this is a little too much, but let's go down. I'm not gonna be able to go lower than the hourly because I have too much strategy stuff on there. I'm not gonna show that on my YouTube. But here we are. Let's not give too much. But yeah, we're giving too much. Let's go here. All right. So as you can see, the market has not gone up or corrected in a manner that we should be looking at the market to leave this zone. If you remember, I said a hourly candle close above this exact line would mean that I would be going bullish. Well, the market didn't do that. I said the market may give us A, B, C. And that's exactly what it did. It gave us A, B, and a C leg here, where we came down in 5 waves to create an A correction. So with that being said, now we know that the market has begun to confirm to us. And remember what I said, when we don't commit to the market until the market begins to commit to us. So we have enough confirmation now that we can go back to my original outlook. And that is that this is a complex A to B correction. And we could look for this to play out something along these lines. You see, this goes out to September. I don't want to give that much. Uh, but yeah, so we're looking for this ABC correction to begin to play out in different levels of degree. So this ABC will complete this ABC will complete this ABC and this ABC. So we have a series of corrections that should be playing out in the coming weeks, where I have entries on the 1 minute time frame. I got stuff on my 5 minute, 15 minute time frame that give us more opportunity to really go into this market and scalp it however we need to. But there's so much opportunity. And from what we've seen now, I pretty much know that I would not be looking for this as a wave to correction. It's possible, but highly unlikely, just because of all of the different levels of degree in our ABC corrections that we have to get to. Not only the fact that we're in a WXY and we're needing to complete that Y leg before we can go up bullishly outside of this zone and to continue up in 5 waves to complete our 5th wave. But again, uh, I don't want to give too much. This might be one of my last videos for a while, because it's time to put work in. It's normally slow during the summer months, but we're in August now, so I'm going to be more focused on trading, account management, signals, and things like that. If you want to get with me and get some pricing, my Instagram is MND Investments, and I'll have my Telegram channel at the bottom of this video. But there's a lot of money to be made in this market in this August month, and definitely in September. So if you guys need any help or would like to collaborate on some things, we can talk that and cross that bridge when we get there. But this is going to be my last video for a while, guys. I'm going to be more focused on trading the market, rather than just doing so much technical analysis. So I wish you guys luck, and until next time.